Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I got another cleaning product for you. Sanitizer. Ooh, look at that. Now it is a disinfecting cleaner for car interior and exterior. It is made by Sanszo. Sanszo.com, and that is made in Canada. And let's see, Viva la Canada, Quebec. So it is from Quebec. So yes, awesome. A Canadian product. And since I live in Canada, hey, that suits me right. So we're going to clean this dirty interior here of the, what is this? The Ford Freestyle. It is quite dirty in here. Like, wow. I did not clean this thing yet this year, and I haven't driven it for a very long time. So it's time to see if I can, sorry, I'm trying to get the right setting here for the cleaning, for the sanitizer. And of course, we're going to start with the upper part of the dash first. And yes, as usual, I am too far back, but that's okay. I can move forward because I have the electric seats. Oh, this stuff does smell quite nice. Quite nice. Wow, I'm impressed by the smell of this. Now, I bought this at Canadian Tire. So, you know, good old Canadian Tire. And I realized I hadn't done a cleaning video in a while. Like, look at this. That's how dirty my car is. That's filthy. Wow. How do I let it get so dirty? There's a lot of reasons why. Let us spray on some there so I can get up here. Sorry if the camera is going to be way terrible. I'm a terrible cameraman, and that is why I have the camera panned out pretty well, so I can be able to get in the shots. But I can now move my seat back. I do like this vehicle, the Ford Freestyle. This is not a video about Ford Freestyles. It's just the one that I'm using to show the cleaner. Now let's start with the clean part of the rag. See how much dirt we can get out of here. Oh, it was so dirty in here. Doesn't help that I work down a very dusty and dirty dirt gravel road. That, of course, is always... And it's so dry this year, so that it's always blowing dust everywhere. So far, I am impressed. But why wouldn't I be? You know, the biggest thing is that it smells so nice. Let's get inside the cup holders. I don't usually have too much that I carry in the cup holders because I don't drink coffee, and my wife is hardly ever in here. I see you got a stain right here. That's probably from where my elbow sits. So let's soak that down for a minute here and see what we get. Soak her down, and let's get in here. It's filthy in here too. So yeah, I've been so neglectful of cleaning and doing cleanings. I used to do these all the time, but I don't do them as much now. But I should. It's summertime. I should try to keep my vehicles spick and span, nice and clean. I always like a nice clean vehicle. But things happen. Let's see. Will it clean the clear glass? It looks like it will clean it just fine. Okay. That is clean. How dirty this thing is getting. Wow. Well, that's normal. Here we go. Let's turn back this way and see if I can get this cleaned. Oh, I think it did a good job. Did a good job? Yeah, I can still see a little bit there. Here, let's soak her down some more right there. It's just going to get dirty again, though, isn't it? So here we are cleaning the door area with it and trying to get her nice and clean. Stuff does do a nice job. Had a whole bunch of dirt on these knobs here, but wow, it's come right off. This had a nasty dark stain on it there, but it came off. This stuff, and I'm not just saying this because I'm Canadian, stuff seems to work pretty good. Yeah. It's impressing me. Get the buttons. Oh, there we go. Well, let me, oh yes. There, get that spot again. What can I say? Looks decent enough. That's what I can say. It looks decent enough. Let me clean the rest of the vehicle. So, what do I think of this product? Well, I think this product did a great job. Left a nice light shine. It just overall, though, left it clean with a great smell inside. And I think it did a good job. It even cleaned the dash glass very well. This thing looks pretty clean now. I'm quite happy with it. Of course, when do I ever am not happy with the product? There's been a few, I think. But even a bonus, though, that this one is Canadian made, that it even makes it a little better. So, yes, I think this is going to be one of the ones I will continue to use because I just like the smell of it too. It smells great. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And it's been a while since I did one of these, so I wanted to do one. Hope you did enjoy it.